Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the ASUS Zen UI 4.0. So we have the ASUS Zen phone for selfie with us, and in this video we'll talk about the new Zen UI 4.0. So this device comes with the ASUS Zen phone now for UI, which is more cleaner and much better looking UI than the ASUS Zen phone UI 3.0. So first let's have a look at what is offered in the main screen. So if you just swipe down, you can see the new notifications and quick toggles. So you can see the quick toggle icons have been made much more cleaner and looks much better. We have two rows of icons available here, and you can see there are additional options. You can just click edit and have a drag and rearrange of the quick toggles, so that can be done from here. Then if you just press and hold the home screen, you can see there are options to manage the widgets, edit the home screen, wallpapers, Zen UI. There is option to lock apps preferences. So we'll come back to this. So if you click the edit home screen, you can see you can change the icon sizes. So icon size can be changed. Then you can increase the icon size. Then icon alignment can be done. It can be aligned to the top or aligned to the bottom. Then we have the regular scroll effect. So multiple scroll effects are included. Then if you come back, we have this option to change the font size. So right now it's 1.0, so you can just change the font size, and you also have the option to change the font color. And finally there is option to change the font as well. So you can download additional fonts and also install them apart from the system default and some other fonts available in the UI. Now if you go back to the manage home option, you can see there are options for Zen UI theme. So you can download additional themes. So this themes UI app remains the same, so you can download additional themes. There are different categories available, so that's some really good customization. Then there is option to lock apps. So what you can do is you can just set a pattern. So right now the pattern we have set is this. So once you set the pattern, you can select which all apps you want to lock. Say for example, if I want to lock the camera app, so we are done. Now let's go back, and you can see in a small icon, the lock icon against the camera. So when you open the camera, you need to either scan the fingerprint or draw the pattern to unlock. So we'll just draw the pattern, and the camera opens. So you can also use the fingerprint to unlock this. So that right now we have used the fingerprint to unlock it. So that's the lock apps option. Then if you go to this preferences, we have this icon and folder, app lock, some additional options are also included, but now it feels more polished and cleaner UI. Now let's go to the app drawer. So you can see the app drawer comes with good options, and it's more cleaner UI. Here we have the option to sort by downloaded, customized or frequent option. Then here we have the options for smart grouping, locking of apps. As I said before, there is also option to hide apps. So you can select the apps you want to hide. Say for example, if you just click hide apps, then click back, and those apps will be hidden. So if you want to unhide, you can go from here. If you want to uninstall or disable a particular app, you can do it from here. So it looks more or less cleaner now, and feels good as well. So that's the UI here, and you can also search for a particular app from here. Now let's go to the settings panel. There are lots of additional changes there. So let's open the settings panel. So there you go. So you can see the settings panel is also a much more cleaner UI and feels really good when compared to the previous Zen UI. So this is the Android 7.0 version, and we have Zen UI 4.0 right now, and you can see that it's more cleaner and easy to use as well. And if you go to the display settings, we have some additional options. Blue light filter is included. You can change the brightness level, and LED indicator is also included. So these are the options in the display settings. And now let's go to scroll down and go to the special modes available here. So if you select special modes, there is easy mode and kid mode available. So these are two options which were available in the previous mode option as well, but it has been moved to special modes, and we have the kids mode as well. Then scrolling down, you can see ASUS customized settings. So if you select here, we have some really useful options here. So one is the twin apps. That means you can run two instances of the same app. That means Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, all those things can be run simultaneously. Two instances can be run using this twin app option. And there is also recent key option to toggle the multitasking. So if you click here, you can either use the recent key to activate the multi-window option, or tap and hold to take a screenshot, tap and hold to show menu. So these can be customized here. Then there is Zen motion. A lot of motion gestures are included, touch gestures. So if you turn on this, there is double tap to turn off the screen, double tap to wake the screen, swipe to wake the screen. You also have gestures for typing. If you say, for example, if you just type W, we can launch a weather app. Say S to launch another app. So these are some of the options available in the touch gestures. So here you can see a couple of motion gestures are also included, and there is one-handed UI as well. Double tap the home key to activate the one-handed mode. So if you double tap, you can see this is the one-handed mode available, and it is quite handy if you want to reduce the screen size of the display. Then there is also ASUS Zen UI safeguard, so you can send an SOS in case you need some emergency. That's an option available in the settings. Now if you go to the battery, you can see the battery mode. Then if you select the three dots, you can see the battery modes available. So there are lots of modes included: performance mode, normal mode, power saving mode, super power saving mode, and also the customized mode. So you can see these UIs are now made more cleaner and user friendly, and looks really great with the new Zen UI 4.0. So apart from that, there is also the option of the mobile manager. So mobile manager is also included. You can see there is data usage, power master, boosting of the RAM. So you can, if you click here, you can just boost the performance. So it will be scanning apps and removing from the background, and you can see super boost is also there. So it will release some RAM, and there is also cleanup option and the permissions and security included. So those are the options in the UI. Then we also have the split screen mode. If you just tap here, we'll just enable the split screen mode. So just press here, and there you go, the split screen mode is enabled, and here you can have two screens running side by side. So that's the option for split screen mode, and if you press and hold, it will exit from the split screen mode. So these are some of the UI options available in the Zen UI 4.0. So all in all, it feels like a more polished UI. It looks quite good, and the user interface is much more friendly and cleaner. So that was a quick video on the ASUS Zen phone Zen UI 4.0 and the new user interface and other features included. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.